Hello there, and welcome to my video demonstrating my pipe beader. I first made one of these last year for my son as he was fitting a universal intercooler kit to his Fiat Coupe, and as is normal with anything universal, it doesn't fit anything. Anyway, we'll start off with this bit of steel pipe, which is 20mm with a wall thickness of about 1mm, I suppose. And there are a couple of things though to get you started. You only want to be making small adjustments on the tension screw at a time, because if you turn it too tight, you'll squash a flat into the tube and then it'll never bead. So I reckon about 5-minute intervals on a clock face is fine. So here we go anyway. So we'll start it off. Now sometimes, as you can see there, the tube wanders off the former, just the way it happens sometimes, internal stresses on the pipe. So if it does that, you can either keep your hand on the end of it to keep it pushed in for the first couple of turns, or just turn it the other way. That'll usually stop it. So as you can see, so for a couple of turns and a few degrees on the tension screw, another couple of turns, and there's the bead forming. So if it does try to wander off the former, just turn the handle the other way. As you can see, it doesn't matter which way you turn it. And you're aiming for the bead's diameter to be about 3mm more than the OD of the pipe. That's plenty. I mean, the bead's there to stop the clamp coming off, not seal the pipe. So I think that's about done for that one. As you can see, there's the bead. Okay, now we'll try a bit of intercooler pipe. This is 60mm, I suppose, by 1.5 wall thickness. Exactly the same procedure though. Until it gets started, just keep it in contact with the post. Don't take too much at a time, because you don't want to squash a flat in it. And then once it gets going, you can let go of it and just turn it around on the handle. Like I say, about 5 minutes at a time. And you can see the bead starting to form now. And there you go. It doesn't do anything fancy. Doesn't come in any fancy packaging. Doesn't come in any powder coating. It's just blued steel with a big blowtorch. And then the former and the wheel are both oil hardened. I think that'll do for that. There we go. As you can see, there's the bead. I've used this is aluminium pipe. I showed you before of it on a piece of steel. I've got some copper somewhere. Beaded a bit of copper pipe, just the same. There's the copper, done on the same machine. This is 22mm copper water pipe. Okay, that's it. So one bead.